Hi everyone, welcome back to Get Updated Now, and here we have a toothbrush from Perfora, and it is electric, and this is specially engineered for effective brushing. It requires minimum effort, as they say, and it gives you maximum result. And here we have a booklet from them, which gives all necessary details about how you can order and how you can be their member, how things work. So let's see what's here in the booklet. So all the products are mentioned here. They also have this smart flosser. So this is how it is. There's this nice letter from them which gives you all necessary details, and here is your discount code if you're gonna order again. Anyway, so here is the toothbrush. Let's open it. So now let's see. So this is the color that we have ordered. This is avocado green, and if you look around, there are some instructions here. It has two modes. It gives you 26,000 strokes in a minute and 16,000 massage strokes, and it's for mindful brushing 2 minutes and with so it has like 2 minutes timer with 30 seconds interval, and it's for targeted cleaning. And on this side you see uh, it's waterproof, design is human centered, so it's like easy to use for your hands, especially because some of them have like the grips are really weird. So this one is like with a good grip, and long battery life, the battery is included. Now this was um, personalized. I'll show that to you. So here is the promise, and everyday oral care, all necessary details. The MRP is here. Okay, now let's open this. So here is the easy guide for brushing. Now here is the toothbrush. This guide has all necessary details which are required like when you start using it, right? So here is all that, and then here is the toothbrush. Now the personalized thing that I was talking about was this. So we are gonna put the battery in here, and then this is the thing. It looks really good, and it is soft, I'm sure it is. And here is the battery. Now I'll try to install this, and I'm gonna use it, and then we're gonna give you a short review soon. Thank you for watching.